Yo, intermittent fasting is the play. According to this study, intermittent fasting is great for losing weight, heart health, and for losing fat around your midsection. Guess what? I am a witness. I've lost 15 pounds this year through intermittent fasting. In this video, I'm going to break down how to do an 18-hour fast. I'm also going to share a game plan for you and break it down step by step so you can achieve your fitness goals. But before we dive in, make sure you like this video and follow or subscribe for more fitness tips. But yeah, here go my stats, y'all. So y'all know I'm not capping. I'm down 15 pounds. I've been fasting. Right now I'm fasting up to 20 hours. We'll talk more about that here in a second. And having one meal per day, which is dinner, and then I work out 3 to 5 times during the week doing cardio. And just so you know, there's no cap in my rap. I'm locked in, y'all. This fasting has changed my life. At 40, I'm in better shape than I was in my 30s, y'all, and it's through intermittent fasting and consistent workouts. Let's break down how to do an intermittent fast for 18 hours. All right. I know you're like, Coach, that's good. You lost 15. What about my 15 pounds? Bro, I got you. Make sure you screenshot this and share it with somebody you know and love. Let's break down the 18-hour game plan for your fasting. So taking a step back, intermittent fasting is really popular right now because it's a time-restricted weight loss program where you have specific times when you eat and specific times when you fast. And the most common is the 18-6 plan. That's when you will fast for 18 hours. That includes 12 hours of fasting during the day and then also your sleep. So 12 hours fasting, 6 hours of sleep. That's how you get to 18 hours. And then you have a window of time when you actually eat. And that's the 6. You get 6 hours when you have a window. So let's break that down. Let's say you watch this video like, yo, Coach, man, he locked in. He lost 15 pounds. I'm trying to lose 15 pounds too. Bet. So starting today, what you would do is fast through breakfast. You won't have anything but water, coffee. We'll talk about that in a second. 12 o'clock, your first meal. You have your first meal. And then your last meal is going to be at 6 p.m. When 6 p.m. happens, you shut it down. Water only. You're not eating again. And then you go to sleep. You wake up the next morning, let's say at 6 a.m. So you got 12 hours of fasting. You're including your sleep. And then you don't eat again until 12. And so that's the process. So here's how to manage your fast. Because it's tough, y'all. You got to build up your tolerance, your mental game, to be able to fast for these periods of time. So drink plenty of water. Bro, I'm literally drinking this bad boy multiple times throughout the day. Stay hydrated. I typically start a day with coffee or tea, hot coffee or tea to get me going. Now, some people might disagree, but for me personally, whenever the afternoon, like if you're fasting for breakfast, that 11 to 12 is going to be tough. If you fast through lunch, that 2 to 3 is going to be tough. So I don't think it's cheating if you have a protein shake, if you get lightheaded, even if you're drinking a lot of water. But the most important thing about this playbook, y'all, is your first meal when you break your fast cannot be fast food or junk food or fried food. You have to eat clean, y'all. Otherwise, you're not going to see the result. Man, that fast don't work. What you have for your first meal? Man, I had some chicken and... Nah, you have to make sure it's lean protein, fruits, veggies, something that's healthy to really reward your body for doing that fast. Reward yourself with something healthy. Do a salad, y'all. And also your last meal needs to be clean as well so that you build momentum. So you add, I'm not eating a lot of food. When I do eat, it's healthy. And by the way, I'm also working out. That's really the big three. You put all those together, and that's what I've been doing the last 6 months, and that's how I lost the weight. And ultimately, your goal is to get to 20 hours of fasting, 1 meal a day, 1 protein shake. This is the blueprint, y'all. I want to challenge you in 2025 and beyond to eat less and fast more. That is the play. Think about it. You're fasting all throughout the day, and your body is shocked, confused, like, bro, what am I going to do to sustain? It's going to go attack the fat, grabbing that energy, burning that fat so that you can lose weight. And that's the power of intermittent fasting. Also, it helps with your clarity. There's a lot of research there, helps with your focus. So if this added value, I need your help. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, what are your fitness goals, how I can help. Right now, I'm at 246. My goal by the end of this year is to be in the 220s, man. 220 pounds. That's lowered less than I weighed in grad school back in 2010, y'all, at NC State. Go Pack. So lock in with Coach. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. I'm posting all of my content. As I learn and grow, I want you to be the first to know. Make sure you hit that notification bell so whenever I drop content, I'm also doing live workouts on YouTube, man. I'm locked in. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll see you next time.